Hi, I'm Lou and I'm going to make maple syrup from this tree in my yard. All trees produce sap in the spring, but you have to make sure you have a sugar maple. They're the ones that drop propeller seeds, but be careful because soft maples drop them too. But soft maples have these red buds and don't give good syrup. We have to drill a 1/2 inch hole in the tree. This is how they used to do it in the old days. Luckily today we have this. Angle it up slightly and go in about 1.5 inches. If you look closely, you can already see the sap coming out. Hammer in our tap. Here I've got a peanut butter jar with a little hole drilled in it, and I'll hang it on the tap. And we've got a really good drip going. 45 minutes later and we have over a cup of sap. I'll switch to this gallon jug so it doesn't overflow tonight. We collected 1.5 gallons total. We'll put it in a pot on the stove and turn on the heat. We need to heat this to 7 degrees above boiling. You can use a candy or meat thermometer. We're boiling at 209 degrees, so we'll be done at 216. This smells just like boiling pasta. There we are, passing the high temperature, and it's starting to boil over. You really have to watch it at the end. That happened in a matter of seconds. And there's our syrup. And it tastes really sweet. I know you're probably thinking that was a lot of work for this little bit of maple syrup. And so am I. Thanks for watching.